Let's learn to new Excel skill. Here is the step-by-step to complete this table. Step 1. Use if function. Apply to all column. Go to first sheet. Step 2. Set data validation. On Data Tools, click Data Validation option. Selected list. Enter all month. Press OK. Step 3. Add filters function. Select the area you want to show. Add comma and select all month. Add equal to. Select month. Press enter. Step 4. Add progress bar. Select the area. Go to Home and Conditional Formatting function. Click on New Rule. Select this option from the given rule type. Select percentage column. Select Format, choose color. OK. Then select Condition Formatting and New Rule. Select another color from Format option. Select Condition Formatting, click Data Bars, and select More Rules. Type 1 minus percentage of marks. For more videos, like and support.